Today we're going to get back to the Trailblazer. It was raining out yesterday, so I couldn't do it. Right now, what we're doing is we're going to put this in the truck, fill it up, come back. We're going to put all this shit back on. It took me like 5 hours to get off with the sanding down and shit, so it should only take me like an hour to put back on. Let's get to it. Last look before we put the tire on. I think it came out pretty good. Paint cured, everything looks good. Getting there, got some shit clipped back on. I had to test the hood release out, and then I realized I hadn't hooked the wire back up. So I ended up closing the hood and pulling the thing to open it up, and my finger got caught in there. That shit sucked it, but yeah, this was all rusted out. We're gonna fix this. I don't know if you noticed, I just noticed this, but hood has hella rust, and I'm not trying to replace this, so we're gonna remove this before we do any more of the frame. And we're gonna grind this down, see if we can get it all out and paint it over. If not, we're gonna have to buy a new one. And then this, I'm gonna have to take this off today too. I waited for this because I need this to hold the hood up. Gotta sand it down right here already. I don't wanna get too close up there in case something broke, but we're getting there. Just had to tape up some of the wires with some black duct tape I got. I don't got no electrical tape. Just because they're exposed, not because they're fraying or anything. I'm gonna tape up this real quick. This was an accident on this side multiple times, and the shop that owned it for me, they owned it since it was new. They just didn't take care of it because they let their daughter use it. Like, this plastic bezel was cracked. I just glued this back together. That's holding up pretty fucking good right now. But yeah, I'm going to take these off real quick, and then we're going to finish buttoning everything back up. And I'll show you guys the rest of the frame where we're going to have to sand down and clean up. So we're pretty much done right now. I'll show you guys what it looks like with everything buttoned up. Finally got the headlight to work inside this thing. This took the longest, probably, trying to get it clipped in there because I had to super glue it back together. Pretty much JB welded, but this shit looks so much cleaner now, and not only that, it's protected from any further rust, because it may look sloppy there, but that was embedded rust. It's all grinded off now. That's just what it looks like when shit's been sitting in rust for years. This was an accident too, not by me. I had one by me too, but and all they did here was weld it back together. This is a body shop I would not recommend going to based off with how they put their personal vehicle back together after an accident. Those welders, some of the sloppiest, who look like a fucking third grader, grabbed his dad's weld kit and was just like, "Yo, let me learn how to weld today, Dad." And he's like, "All right, son, and I'll let you do it right here." And that's what that looks like. Looks like someone fucking second grade did that. But it's looking good. Put it back together and we'll end this video. Alright guys, so I'm all done now. There's a gap right there, but this bumper is going anyway, so I'm not worried about it. Since I got this headlight mount fixed, the bumper doesn't want to go in fully right here either, but you can't even really notice it. I'm getting an aftermarket grill and aftermarket bumper anyway. This is usually hung up by zip ties, but I'm doing the power steering cooler, so I'm not even bothering with that. But I think this shit looks so much better. Only thing, like I said, I gotta do the hood now, and then I have to take this hood mount up, do that. Any piece of rust I found in here I did, except that I'm going to do when I do the hood as well. And that's about the last piece in here besides the exhaust manifold. But yeah, this just looks so much better. I'm glad I did this while the power steering pump was out the way, because there was some rust over here, not nearly as bad as over here, but I will get to that as soon as I do the struts in this thing and start moving some more on that side. But remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and like the video. Follow me on IG. Yeah, that's it. Peace.